Hey everybody, this is Tim with Bevan Farm, and today I'm going to be removing the floor and replacing it in my horse trailer. This is what we use for our petting zoos and stuff like that, bring animals to the vet. First thing I'm going to do is remove the divider that's in here, make it a little easier to work on. So what I'm going to do now is knock out this pin. I already got it most of the way up. I'll get that, and then I'll hit this thing sideways, and I should be able to just lift it off back there, and we should be good to go. So let's do that. All right, I'm breathing a little heavy. After several good whacks with a hammer, I got it to come out of the channels here. Definitely gonna have to put some oil and stuff on that for when I put it back together. But yeah, got it out, so now got a nice open area to work. Well, the next thing I need to do is take out this rubber mat that I have in here from when the animals are riding in here. A little dirty. And this thing, I used to take better care of it. I used to clean it after every event, but I've been lazy, so I'm paying the price now. But let me take these up and we'll see what we have. Well, the mats are up, and as expected, it's in pretty bad shape. You can see that the plywood here is just flaking apart and falling apart. I can probably just hit through there. Yeah, it's soft. I mean, it's wet. So it is time to take this up and replace it. So now comes the fun part, the demo. All right, you guys ready? Just kind of messing with some of this and just moving it with my hand, and it's just gonna pull right up. So hopefully this goes quickly, but yeah. So there's the under part with the 2x4s, 2x6s too. Hopefully that's in decent shape, but I doubt it. This plywood is done. Here's the progress that I'm making. This is all the old plywood that I'm scraping up. I'm getting down to the 2x4s, the kind of the subfloor there. Those are gonna come out too, but gotta take off this other stuff first. Tiring work. All right, let me get back at it. I pretty much got everything out now. It's got this huge pile on the ground. You can see all the boards. They all need to be replaced. So I'm gonna try and figure out what the best way to do it is, whether I need to just get my circular saw and cut a groove in all of them and then just knock them out, or what. So we'll see. Let me get some other tools and see what I can do. I've just been hitting this thing with my mini sledge here a couple times, and you can see it's just popping up. These things are just so rotten. So I might be able to just hit these till they fall apart a little bit, and then get my big pry bar and just pry them right on out. I think my pry bar is gonna do it. I can already see that I'm making some progress. So I'm just gonna kind of hammer this thing down in there, and I think these are so rotten that they're just gonna break apart when I pull them out, so it shouldn't be too bad. That is exactly what happened. So I just need to get my pry bar underneath these things. I can just pull them right out. See, they're just falling apart. So yeah, here they go, boom. So I'll make quick work of this real quick, and then I'll be ready to do final cleanup so I can get ready to do some new Almost boards. Done, woo! Only like 3.5 more boards. I got this. I just need a quick break so I could film.